How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are having a terrific day today. Welcome back to the Outlaw Performance Garage. Today I want to talk about things that you will need in your car when you are pushing over 700 to the wheel horsepower. So what I want to talk about is what has failed in my car. So as you know, we got the build on the ZL1 Camaro 2014, and what has failed on me after 700 to the wheel would be my clutch. So the clutch has totally, you're ripping it first, you hit second, right as you get to third gear, it just feels like the tires are spinning loose, but the car goes nowhere. So RPM jumps up and your car is just standing still, but your RPMs are flying up. That's when you know your clutch is burned. So it is a mandatory thing that you get the upgraded version of a clutch. So I've did my research and I have come across the McLeod clutch. That's capable of handling 1,000 to 1,200 horsepower, and according to the technicians at their company, they say it's the last clutch you'll ever need. I doubt that, but you know, I like their enthusiasm, so I'm gonna give it a shot. The one thing about this video I wanted to say was this time I didn't do the work myself. I mean, I've taken out dozens of transmissions, but man, I'm getting old. I know I don't look old, but I'm getting old. So I'm going to have my boy Ray at Accutech Automotive, which is the only guy I trust to work on my car. Awesome dude. He has a 1,500 horsepower supercharged Nova. He's going to tackle this down for me for a ridiculous steal, so I don't have to crawl my big butt underneath that car and wrestle this transmission. He's going to take care of it in the blink of an eye. Here we are, Accutech Automotive, Ray, with the 1,500 horsepower Nova. The only man that I trust to even touch the beast. Exhaust out. There's the transmission ready to come out. Man, it's just so much easier with the lift. Look at that. The bolts are just right there. You can just reach up with your hands and touch everything, get it all out. You're gonna get these out. It was a pain in the butt with these lines getting it on the lift, but he made it happen. We got the exhaust. The exhaust does come out, drops. Had to come out. Look at that. Man, got it out. There it is on the ground, ready to go back in. So we're gonna get out of his way and let him work on this. Cross our fingers and get ready for that 500-mile break-in. Break this car in. And man, we're gonna have some fun. Get this thing back on for the dyno tune. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. That just about does it for this episode of the Outlaw Performance Garage. Until next time, stay tuned, and hey, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And I appreciate all the support, all the views, everybody watching the videos, staying tuned, subscribing. Please share this video with anybody you know. We got, man, a ton of stuff that we're doing to this car. Real exciting here. So I'm going to go ahead and get going on this 500-mile break-in. I'll see you then.